Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Surfshark VPN app for Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Surfshark VPN app for Windows, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type surfshark.com and press enter. Once the Surfshark homepage loads, look for the Get Surfshark button. Click on the Get Surfshark button to be redirected to the subscription plans. Choose a plan that suits your needs and click on it. After selecting a plan, fill in your email address and create a secure password. Proceed by clicking on the Create Account button. You will then be prompted to enter your payment details to complete the purchase. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the confirmation email and look for the download link. Click on the download link to be directed to the Surfshark VPN app download page. On the download page, find the button that says Download for Windows. Click the Download for Windows button to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Surfshark VPN app on your computer. After the installation is complete, open the Surfshark VPN app. Log in using the email and password you created earlier. You are now ready to use the Surfshark VPN app on your Windows device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.